How to Video, MagniLink AIR Duo Plus. In this video, we demonstrate the controls that are unique to the MagniLink AIR Duo Plus. For other functions in the software, see the separate How to Video about MagniLink PC Viewer as well as the video about shortcuts in MagniLink PC Viewer. When you use the MagniLink AIR Duo system, you have access to 2 motorized cameras. You will also automatically gain access to a number of unique features in the software. These functions can be controlled by using the mouse pointer or keyboard shortcuts. You have a distance camera and another camera that can be used to view something on the desktop. You switch which camera to control by using the Change Camera menu button. You can also change camera by clicking in the image, or use the shortcut key C on the keyboard. The active camera is indicated by an orange frame. You can choose to split the image vertically or horizontally, or display only the image from one of the cameras. You can determine how the image is split by clicking the Change Split Mode button. As an alternative, you can also use the X shortcut key on the keyboard. You can decide how you want to split the image by using the Move Split Left and Move Split Right buttons. You can also use the shortcut keys Shift and Left arrow or Shift and Right arrow to move the split between the camera images. Since the cameras are motorized, you can control their position in several different ways. You can use the pan and tilt buttons in the menu by clicking them with the mouse pointer. You can also control the position by using the mouse pointer. You can also use the W, A, S, and D shortcut keys on the keyboard. For each camera, you have the option to use preset positions that you can program yourself. In the menu, 3 different positions are shown, but you can actually program up to 9 positions for each camera. To program a position, first set the desired position and magnification level. When you are satisfied, use the shortcut Ctrl+1 to program your selected position and magnification level as position number 1. If you now reposition the camera, you can go back to the programmed position, either by clicking on position 1 in the menu, or by using the short command Shift+1. The same thing can be done for the other camera. Another available feature is the rotation function. For example, if your piece of paper is a bit tilted, then you can rotate the camera by pressing the short key R, or in the other direction by using Shift+R. Rotate until you get a straight angle. This will help you get a straight image on the screen, regardless of whether the paper is tilted or not. For instructions on how to use the general functions in the PC Viewer software, see the separate video on this topic. There is also a separate video for shortcuts in PC Viewer. Thank you for watching. Learn more about our products at lviglobal.se.